And now, the moment you've been waiting for, the National Small Business Person of the Year. As a young boy, his future was forged watching helicopters fly near his home. By 18, he was certified to fly one himself. By 19, he was teaching others the intricacies of helicopter flight. He started a helicopter training company in Arizona in 1998 with one helicopter and 120 square feet of space on an airstrip. Today, the company has a staff of 55, 14 aircraft, and a waiting list of students ready to take flights. The majority of his students and his employees are veterans. Please help me welcome from Prescott, Arizona, John Stonecipher, President and CEO of Guidance Aviation, this year's 2013 National Small Business Person of the Year.
Wow. I'm incredibly humbled. What an amazing group of people. What an incredible opportunity. I want to say thank you to so many people. First and foremost, to my family. I want to thank God. My trust in Him has carried me through this last 15 years. It's been an amazing journey. I want to thank all of my supporters, including all of my staff, my management, my directors, my students. I want to thank the leadership in this country. And I also want to thank our students that are made up predominantly of veterans that are being reintegrated into civilian life. This is just absolutely amazing. And again, thank you all very much, and congratulations to all the award winners. This is a very tight competition, and what an amazing diversity of businesses we have in this country. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Congratulations to all of our winners again, and thank you. You know, you can see from each of the folks that are up here and the conversations that you have with them what wonderful small business owners we have and how much these people contribute to their communities. I'm very, very proud. Thank you for all that you do. I invite those of you who are interested to join us for the exporting panel at 3 p.m. in Congressional B, and dinner is at 6:45. We will have some more awards. I will look forward to seeing you then. Thank you.